I painted that whole thing myself, lined it and everything. I really wanted to go back over it with black trim. You can even buy black tape, but and then I'm gonna have to go back to it. I haven't touched that in 4 or 5 years. Well, I haven't because of the fact it sat up before. At least it was underneath, but this was, you can see that's matted now, but it was semi-gloss when I did it. Matte good. Matte's a good color. So am I. Almost. I just want to put one more coat over the top of that. There's no wind now. So as you can see how it's drying pretty quick and not really puddled up. It shows you get it pretty thorough and it's not running. Okay, one more coat. My hands. Get a nice shiny coat. All right, turn upside down, the air out. Sweet. Let that dry. About an hour. We'll be back. Out here, we're pulling the pulling the paper. I don't want to make sure you get it all. Really bad to leave any of that in there. Other one's out of there. That's good. It's a really good job taping. What is that for sure? Of course, this doesn't stick. You can start on the other side there. Go yank your tape off of your.
The wheels
right
and the side or both?
Everything. Yeah, everything.
Okay.
I like that. Fortunately, ties them to a mod. Oh shoot! All right. Okay. taped. Alright. I like it. Roll it. Sweet.
Sweet.
Other than just getting still gotta get on that here, me. One last tire to do that. Alright. Nice.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I noticed on mine, sometimes getting out, you're always kicking it.
That's beautiful. Yep.
He's back on now. This has got real paint on him.
It's awesome.
Might have to work on it. Wet. It's dry. Now she gets a minute. She's gonna do the Mustang. Do the Mustang in the middle of this, like she did originally with that. It's got a little bit bigger here.
Yeah.
That's a bigger horse, so that should be no problem. That's a much bigger horse. You're gonna be able to do that much.
Well, I see that
Much
it's
better.
not nearly as filled in as it was before,
Right.
so it should be easier to do.
Right. I'm thinking so as well. All right. You want to back it out?
I thought you wanted it left in the garage.
Well, I'm gonna back it out. I want to back it out, so at least we get a look at it.
Well, you back it out. I'm not backing it up. I see black paint.
Hi, everybody.
I see black paint on my red.
Right where you paint, where you
Right there.
did the thing there. But yeah. As you can see, it rolls right off because it's not real paint. It's that rubber. It's rubber, so it will clear. It'll clean right up. As far as the front wheels are concerned, you guys be the judge of what you think. As far as all blacked out, black and red, and then the kick, the rock panel. You can see a little bit of overspray here. You shake your fingers. And you rub it right off. Very nice. I like that. Alright. As we can see on this side as well. Looks really good. And of course that can be all wiped off. Any overspray. Just be wiped. Like that. Alright, so takes care of that. And I think it looks really good with the wheels blacked out compared to silver. So we will close with that. Wouldn't muddy tires, but other than that, it's shaping up. Looking really good. And as soon as I can get back to those doors, unfortunately, unless you cut it out, it's really hard to stop that rust. But we tried to get paint for it, and this is a three layer red, is what they say. So you just can't mix two layers, which is the red and then the top coat. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe and share. We'll catch you on the next Project Stang.